In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a payment link using Square, from starting the process to setting up payment details. First, click into the search field and type or select your business to begin creating your payment link. Select the date picker to choose when the payment link will be active, or to filter past payments by date. Next, select the Take a Payment option to start the process, and click Continue to proceed to the payment link setup. Now, select Take a Payment for the link purpose. Then enter a title and provide a clear description to identify this payment. Then, choose the checkout option and add an optional name to personalize the payment link. Finally, select the one-time frequency option so the payment link only allows a single transaction, confirming your choice before finishing setup. You've successfully created a payment link with Square.